In today's video, we grillin some chicken thighs. Let's start by boiling them few minutes. After 10 minutes, we drain it out from the water. We just make it a bit tender before we put it into the grill. Now let's build our marinade. Put dark soy sauce, pour it in. And then you put some lemon or use some concentrated lemon. Put some salt, of course. Be generous salt. Pour in the garlic powder. Generous. Some more. Pepper, of course. Black pepper. More. Pour in some hot sauce. Optional. Secret flavor is the Sprite. Pour in as much as you want. Yeah. And of course, now you can dive your chicken to the marinade in. And for the basting, we put this. A bit of this. We put the black. We put some extra black. We put this partners. Spray a bit. A bit of this. And then pepper. And put some of this. Of course, this is the secret. Put a more. Don't forget this. Put a bit of it. Of course, mix it. And now it's time we set this up. Next is find the charcoal that you love the most. I found this is quite big. I don't know what be the problem if I cook with this. Let's fire it up. So put your combustible in the middle and light it up. There you go. Really easy to start. Now we burn it. After 2 minutes, your fire is ready to cook now. Now we start grilling them. We now put them to fire. Let's grill. Be sure to ready your basting sauce. Don't forget to do the basting. That's the flavor. Now let's see how it is. Whoa, beautiful. Flip and flip. Let's go. Ooh, beautiful. Some more. Wow. Flipping. Yes. Keep cooking. Okay, few more remaining. We now start flipping. Ooh, flip. Yes, beautiful. Flip. Wow. Okay, down to the last batch. Flip and baste them. Go. Wow. Yes. And there you have it, my niece and nephew. That's how you make the most perfect chicken barbecue thighs.